Okay folks, here we are. We're doing a test run of a V-1710-111. We're going to go over here and look at the data plate. Hopefully you can see that. It's serial number A058050. These wires hanging down here are EGT temperature probes. This particular pipe that's sticking out here measures crankcase pressure. We measure that in inches of water so that anything up and above what would normally be pressurizing out of the crankcase would be measured. The carburetor is a PD12 K8. Specifically flowed for a P38-6 coming around the side here. This unit here is a temp globe, for controlling the oil temperature. Here's the analog instrument panel. Some of the gauges that we look over once we get the engine up and running is induction temperature gauge, the fuel pressure, engine RPM, coolant temperature, oil pressure, manifold pressure, oil in temperature to the engine, oil out temperature to the engine. This is the Magna-Haley. This measures crankcase pressure in inches of water. This oil temperature over here is just for the gearbox for the test stand. Down here is your flow meter, your shed flow meter. We have to zero that out. Coming over here, one of the features about this engine that's unique is that it has a boost controller on it. This is set up again for a P38. This particular controller is set for 60 inches of manifold pressure, meant for a turbo supercharged engine. But we can change it out, take that off, change it out without that. Comes with a tack generator. You can see all the piping for the boost controller. Pretty rare for anybody to ever see an Allison boost controller on an engine. This particular engine has the wiring harness plated in nickel for longevity. Here we'll go up on top and just see what magneto, intake manifolds, induction temperature for the induction temperature of the engine. This is blast air for the magneto. The air comes in here, over here to the magneto, and in the rest of the air that is expelled from the magneto is out these pipes to the distributor caps to keep them nice and dry. We're going to go ahead and start the engine and get some time on it, and then we'll do some tests and record the results. Down here is a bottle that we catch any and all the oil that comes out of the coolant pump, the overflow from the coolant pump into the oil pump. This is the front breather. So we catch all this and make note of it. Talk to you later.